video the whole thing.
Okay.
I can't make him do the stay thing though. Maybe I can. I can make him stay up there. But Riley, you gotta go somewhere else.
Riley, come here. No, you. Riley, come here.
Riley, okay. Oh, no. What do I got? Ooh, yep. Oh. Alright. Oh!
Oh, this is a JD trick, I see. Uh-huh.
Down.
Yeah.
Back, down. And he's trying to shake. This way. Good boy.
Oh.
Okay. Ready? Come here. Up. Up. Okay. Sit. Stay. Stay.
He's looking around.
Alright, guys. And here's a Riley one for you. If I can get him, if I can get it to work.
Oh no! Is that legal? Oh! How could you do that? This is one freaked out dog. Oh, come on, JD. That's cruel and unusual.
You should see it. Sometimes you can get him to buck all over the place. It's awesome.
Uh-huh. Oh! It was worth it. Was that worth it, Riley? Yes.
Yeah.